There are many products available to choose smart blinds, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best smart blinds from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Graywind Motorized Solar Shades. These smart shades from Graywind offer a great combination of value and technology, easily integrating with nearly all major voice assistants and smart home devices. They feature convenient sunrise and sunset sensors, along with 20 programmable time groups to suit various schedules. If you're adding these blinds to different rooms, no need to worry about programming each device individually. They're designed to work in tandem, with 15 sets controlled from one remote. The only downside is that the remote control doesn't always pick up the signal as intended. Number 2. Yoolax Motorized Blind Shade for Window. These smart blinds offer high-end features at an affordable price point. The battery-powered motor runs from 4 to 6 months, requiring charging only 2 or 3 times a year, while an optional connected solar panel charges the battery continuously. Even with the budget-friendly price tag, plenty of color and fabric customization options are available to choose from. The blinds also use timers to raise or close automatically throughout the day, including at sunrise and sunset. Just know that this feature is restricted to the Yoolax Hub app, which only connects with certain smart devices. Number 3. SmartWings Motorized Roller Shades. If light keeps you up all night, or wakes you too early in the morning, these blackout smart blinds are an excellent way to darken your space from 50 to 100%. SmartWings blackout shades keep UV rays off your furniture and help insulate your space and reduce noise, making them ideal for people who live in cities or busy areas. These smart blinds also come with an optional solar charging panel to keep the battery fully juiced without having to charge it throughout the year. However, keep in mind that remotes are sold separately, so you'll want to budget accordingly. Number 4. Allesin Motorized Roller Blinds. Polyester has fade-resistant properties, which makes these blackout smart blinds ideal for homes that get hit with a lot of direct sunlight. They're also moisture-proof, anti-warping, oil-resistant, and anti-scratch, so if you share your home with pets or small children, rest assured that your smart blinds won't easily succumb to damage. The blinds are mountable, both inside or outside a window frame. Outside mounts help prevent light gaps, and they also have a thickened top rail to help keep your blinds in place. Replacing the batteries is tough, as it requires you to take the blinds down and unscrew a specific compartment to get to where they're nestled inside. The good news, though, is you'll only need to replace them a few times a year. Number 5. Kincmo Motorized Blinds. If you're a diehard voice assistant or smart home device user, these smart blinds are compatible with just about every major player on the market, including Amazon Alexa and Apple HomeKit. Along with the ability to program schedules, they also have a thicker 3-layer blackout fabric to block sunlight, heat, and noise. The smart blinds are operated with a single or multi-channel remote that controls up to 15 blinds simultaneously. The remote is clunky, but a smartphone or compatible device also works if the remote ever feels cumbersome to use. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make you life much more easier.